Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spinach smoothie at home. You can start your morning with this healthy smoothie. It is good for weight loss as it is low in calories and high in fiber. It has vitamin K, potassium, vitamin A, etc. To add on to that, you must think how does it taste. So it does not taste like spinach at all. If you have kids at home, you can totally make them drink this super healthy smoothie. It is super easy and takes just under 2 minutes. All you need is 4 medium-sized bananas. I have used frozen bananas as I have them at home, but you can totally use the normal bananas. 8 to 10 spinach leaves. Make sure that you wash the spinach leaves properly. 2 to 3 dates. 4 to 6 ice cubes. And 1/4 cup of water. Into the blender, add all the ingredients. 4 medium-sized bananas. 8 to 10 spinach leaves, 2 to 3 dates, and 1/4 cup of water to get the mixing process started. Blend at high speed. Add 4 to 6 ice cubes, but if you're using frozen bananas, there's no need for ice cubes, so you can totally omit it. Blend again at high speed to get a creamy consistency. Here you have your creamy, delicious, bright green looking smoothie. Pour into a glass and enjoy your delicious smoothie. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching. For detailed recipe, there's a link in the description box below.